Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup customer.io exports for sales handoff detailed guide step by step clearly. To backup customer.io exports for sales handoff, start by logging into your customer.io account. Navigate to the data section in the left-hand menu. Select the exports option from the drop-down. Choose the specific export you wish to backup. Click on the export name to open its details. From the detail view, click on the download button. This action will prompt the file to download to your device. Locate the downloaded file in your device's downloads folder. Organize the file into a designated backup folder for easy access. To ensure data integrity, open the file to check if it has downloaded correctly. If applicable, repeat the process for any additional exports needed. Once all necessary files are downloaded, move to the storage option of your choice. Consider using a cloud storage service for easy access and sharing. Upload the downloaded files to your chosen storage solution. Ensure that all team members involved in the sales handoff have access to this backup. Create a notification process for when backups are completed. Regularly schedule this backup procedure to stay up to date. By following these steps, you will ensure a smooth sales handoff process with reliable data backup from customer.io. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.